So today we're going to be unboxing the Fitbit Inspire HR. This is the newest Fitbit that they've made. It is the waterproof version, and I bought this new at Walmart for $70, and now let's unbox it. So you'll see this little tab down here. You just pull that off right there. Pull this little tab out right here. Flip it over. And then there is your watch. Before we do that, let's take a look in here. So I can see right away that we have a replacement band right there, or a large band. Looks like it has the small band on there right now. And inside here, that is the charger. I guess it is a magnetic charging. That's pretty cool. And there's the instruction manual. We don't need that. And today, my friend Alex will be helping us. So, give him a thumbs up on camera.
Yes, I am videoing.
He's videoing for us. And we have the watch there. So, you slide that up just like that. I guess that doesn't have anything else in it. So there you go. It's very sleek, very clean build. Just take it off of there. Does it have any battery in it? Any battery? It might have battery in it. Oh, it's got a little bit of battery on there. There we go. It's got the heart rate monitor. And what you do when you charge it is you just take this right here, align it, boom, just like an Apple Watch. Fully magnetic, you can dangle it and everything. So, and it comes, this is USB, it doesn't come with a power brick. You just take this, show it in your PC or something like that, and then, or just a regular USB-C adapter, and then you'll be good to go. Now you'll want to grab your phone, download the Fitbit app, hit that. Then you'll want to press Join Fitbit, select which Fitbit we have, and today we have the Inspire HR. So, where is it? There's the Inspire HR, set up, and then I'm going to have to create my own account. Okay, so now we have created our own account. You want to turn on your Bluetooth. I'm on iOS. And then you scroll down to the bottom. You want to read that. If you want to read that, you can press I agree. Then you want to get your Fitbit right here. Charge your Inspire HR. It's already kind of charged. So power up. I want to do that. And it says it's found it. Now you want to put in your PIN 0148. Then it'll say connecting to Fitbit, and it is connecting. It might take a minute, and there we go. It's connected. And in my case, I have to update it. Setting up Inspire HR. It has a low battery, so we want to charge that in a minute. But that is pretty cool. But from there, it'll probably finish doing that. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.